in the music and rock your body. Rock that body. Welcome back to another episode, ladies and gentlemen. As you can tell by the title of the video, 3 of you lucky winners have won a shot in my car on a test day. So stay tuned because we're going to see who it is come towards the end of the video. We have just picked the differential back up off JRD, like new sponsor. Massive shout out to JRD because he's sorted me right out with this diff. It looks immaculate. It literally, he was telling me everything that what the issue was with it, why it was dropping so much poundage. I've learned quite a bit from him already, and he's one hell of a guy, yeah. So I appreciate you, Jordan, if you're watching this. Massive shout out to you, mate. So let's get the diff back in the car and then find out who that lucky winner is. Let's go. So here we go, 3 lucky winners. Before we do, JRD, anyone needs anything done for your differentials, hit him up. The link will be in the description below. He's insane with his work, like top spec, top quality. Everyone that is a champion has his diffs. It speaks volumes. So if you need your diff service looked at, anything, hit him up. He's your man. He's a top guy. So before we get into that, make sure you check him out, show him some love, see him at the track and that, speak to him. He's got merch. If you go over to his website, he's got merch on there as well. Sick merch. He got me this one. Top quality. It feels wicked as well. Nice and comfy. I got a beanie hat to go with it as well. So massive shout out to you, Jordan. So the winners, the 3 winners are as followed. So I couldn't put all the subscribers' names into like an Excel sheet or anything and then do a number generator, otherwise I'd have done it live. I literally just went down the list, quick scroll and press someone, quick scroll, press someone. And these are the 3 names that it's come up with. If I did type every single name in individually and try and put it into an Excel spreadsheet and do it number generated, it would have took me ages. So for quickness, scroll down, quick one. As it was scrolling, just collect one. And these are the 3 names that I've got. So first winner, Davy Boy 174. Second winner, Rob Hughes, Classic Hot Rod TV. And the third winner, Nathan Lewis 1012. So if you 3 would like to send me a message, whether you got me on Facebook or whatever, if not, I'll put my email down below. I need proof that it's your account. However you do that, I don't know. But just send me a screenshot of, so you can edit on your thing or whatever, and it's got your name and that there. Hit me up and I'll get us all into a chat and we'll organise a good date. So that's your winners, guys. Next video will either be me racing at Buxton tomorrow, or it will be this video with the 3 subscribers having a field day. So see you in the next one, guys.